like the girls with their nails done now.
A rider stopped at a traffic light when, out of nowhere, a car slammed into him from behind. This one's a hard hit.
Well, please.
Hey man, just stay down.
Lay down. Hey, just lay down.
Yeah. Lay down, brother. Come on.
Take this helmet off of me.
Hold on. I got you. Yeah. Keep the other leg.
Are you okay?
Lay down, man.
Yeah.
The rider was okay, thanks to the quick-thinking bystanders who immediately called an ambulance. Hit and run is a serious traffic offense, but does justice always get served? A biker reported his case within 20 minutes, yet it took the police 10 days to even review the footage. Hit and run driver received no traffic offense charges. Instead, he attended the class on road safety. Fair or not, let us know what you think. A reckless driver cuts off a biker and then runs over his foot. What happens next is something you don't see every day. Watch and see how this intense moment unfolds.
Это вообще хуйня полная. Все нормально с головой, это, блядь, вообще. Да что за хуйня? Ай, блядь, сука, по ноге еще въебалась. Сука. О, что за хуйня? Я не хотел, блядь. Блядь, я думал, я не разобью его, я так стукнул чуть-чуть. Ёбаный рот, что я наделал, блядь, мне стекла попали. А нахуя ты меня подрезаешь-то?
В смысле я подрезаю, мне не видно ни хрена тебя. Ты со мной поравнялся?
Да, что произошло?
Я тебя откуда видела?
Так я остановился, тебе показал, открой окно, хотел поговорить спокойно.
Так я, конечно,
ты мне по ноге проехала, блядь, по ноге проехала. Блин, ну я не хотел его бить, я просто хотел ударить тебя со злости. Ты мне просто реально ты мне по ноге проехала, блядь. Камон, я же спокойно.
Я тебя не видела. Что сразу стекла бить?
Да я не хотел его разбивать, я просто ударил со злости. Я не думал, что он рассыпется так. Ну это пиздец. Ну я не хотел, реально. Это пиздец, да. Ты не поранилась? Ничего, нормально, все? Ёбаный рот, блядь. Это пиздец.
Я говорю, я это восстанавливать не буду.
Это пиздец.
Я просто в щепь, все.
Окей, без проблем, я сделаю. Я сделаю все.
Что ты сделаешь?
Я сделаю.
Понятно, как вы делаете.
Вот фотка, номер.
Документы свои.
Окей. Есть инста? Я на камеру сниму, потом найду.
Это, наверное, не видно. Вот. Инста.
Будущий стоматолог. Ты будущий стоматолог?
Да. Придешь ко мне зубы лечить, а?
Окей. Бля, я вообще реально, я не хотел, она мне на ногу просто наехала, у меня нога так болит, но я не стал ничего говорить. У меня теперь застекло, блядь, думки. Не за ногу вообще.
A peaceful ride through Willard, Missouri turns into a dangerous situation when a pickup truck starts spilling hay all over the road, turning it into a slipping hazard for bikers.
You're gonna get killed on that thing, how you drive that.
What?
I said, you're gonna get killed on that thing, how you drive that.
How was I driving it?
Like this.
I was warming up my tires. Helps.
Yeah, I know.
You pulled out in front of me with all that crappy hay, bro.
Yeah, I know. I hear you.
You're not even gonna apologize?
No, you're gonna get killed.
Bro, what? I didn't. You're stupid. 2 on 3, please.
10 on 3?
2 on 3. 2.
Oh, 2 on 3.
Asshole or anything. But I had 2 brothers, and a lot of best friends get killed on motorcycles, okay? I just want you to be careful. I live on Jackson Street, and I see you going up and down on there all the time, going down the street. I'm not trying to be an ass. I'm just trying to, maybe give you some lies.
I know.
Word. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I've been in this town. I have 3 kids, 3 sons that are police officers. All right? I could easily take your plate, and I have friends. I'm not doing it. I'm just trying to.
Well, I didn't do anything illegal.
Okay. But you can't be going like this down the street. It's just trying to say, be more careful and think about what
I'm
you're
being
doing.
careful. I don't appreciate it when someone pulls out in front of me and the hay's
Well,
coming out on me.
But, hey, you went on the other side of me. The hay wasn't going on there. But so, hey, I'm just telling you. And then you got smart with me in there. How old are you? Can I ask
Does
you?
that matter?
Yeah, it does. You
All
just
right,
need to grow
well,
up.
I need to grow up. You're like 50, talking to a kid
I'm
like
older than
this.
that, buddy. And I'm gonna tell
All
you
right.
something. I got 3 boys that never got smart with anybody. I'm not
All
trying
right.
to be smart. I'm just telling you to be careful on that thing.
I will be careful.
All right.
I swear there's a snake camera here too. Oh my god! Oh no!
A biker in the UK loses control and goes down, not because of his own mistake, but due to terrible road conditions.
No! You what?
Luckily, he escapes with only minor injuries, but his bike, not so lucky. With no way to ride it home, a towing truck was the only option. After colliding with a motorcyclist, this driver refuses to take responsibility and tries to flee the scene. But the situation doesn't go as planned.
Costa aí, costa aí. Costa aí, fi. Não, mas ele bateu, eu quero ver se quebrou. Costa aí, fi. Costa aí, vou ver se quebrou minha moto. Costa aí, vou ver se aconteceu alguma coisa com a minha moto. Tá fugindo por quê, chefe? Encosta aí, eu vou ver se aconteceu alguma coisa com a minha moto, mano. Encosta aí, encosta aí.
A calm ride takes a dangerous turn, literally, when the driver ahead suddenly swerves without warning. Watch how the biker reacts to this unexpected move.
Traffic does not exist. Whoa, 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 whoa! What the fuck? Whoa, 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 whoa! What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, fucking cunt! What the fuck, dude? Holy shit! Fucking A! Okay, hold on. Fuck! Right? Did you see that shit? I did. Oh, I don't know. I'm good, bro, but I can't get up. Yeah, I'm test riding him. I'm about to buy the bike. Fuck! Dude! Oh! Which one of y'all hit me?
That wasn't me. It was him down there, man.
Oh! Fuck, hold on. I don't want to get up yet.
Yeah, I wouldn't get up, dude.
I need to get off the road. I'm good, though. I just don't want to move my leg.
I'm gonna move my car to block off this lane. You want to call 911?
No, no, no. Hey! Hey! I'm good. Don't call. Hey! Hey! Don't call. Don't call. Don't call. Don't call. I'm sure. Fuck, dude.
Did you broke your ankle, man?
No, no, no. The ankle's fine.
I mean, dude.
Well, I don't know why he cut in front of me like that.
He just totally hit you, dude.
Oh, fuck, dude. Am I recording?
I don't know how to tell it.
Yeah, yeah. Like, I'm good. I just don't want to start moving and something's broken, you know?
You broke your leg or?
No, no, no. I'm good. I just don't want to start moving. Man, and I knew I should have worn my jacket. Now I got road rash.
That's